It's a new 2023 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.